I think one of the things especially the last few years, is that the church has realized, and it has always done that, but I think sometimes we silo salvation into a very narrow stream. And so what we don't understand is how that salvation affects our worldview. Issues of social justice, for instance, I find, so that the whole thing about racial discrimination or sanctity to life are also affected by worldview. And I think the church on a whole, whether they want to agree with how far they go or not, has become very understanding that our own belief or belief in what Jesus Christ came to do affects these other areas as well. So how we treat people, or laws, or just how we deal, the whole thing with trafficking, all of these things have a certain Christian worldview behind them, because we do believe in the sanctity of life. We do believe that we are to treat each other and that each person is made in the image of God. And so the church on a whole has been very effective in, I think, organizing groups, non-profit organizations, all of these to fight issues of social justice in a number of different areas.
Last one. And for this one, I am suspending the rule of 2 times, because this one I want you to come and share a verse of scripture you feel may be a blessing to someone who is in search for deep connection with God.